Worx WG264E is a lightweight and compact cordless hedge trimmer. It's easy to maneuver and ideal for shaping and maintaining the hedges in your garden. This model has a longer 56cm laser-cut dual-action blade, giving a precise cutting action but with reduced vibration. It has a 20mm cutting diameter to cut through thicker branches and trim overgrown hedges with ease. There's a dual safety switch, which requires you to use both hands to power up, and this prevents accidental starting. A transparent handguard shields your hands as you work while still providing a clear view of your cutting area. A soft grip handle allows you to position your hands as you need them, high, low or angled, giving you easy and accurate trimming without tiring you out. The 264E also uses a PowerShare battery, which you'll be able to share with any of your other Worx power tools in the PowerShare family. To assemble the hedge trimmer, first remove the two screws on the side of the trimmer just by the front guard mounting point. Now slide the front guard firmly into position, making sure that it is properly seated on the mounting plate. Replace the two screws through the front guard and into their original holes. Tighten up with a screwdriver on both sides. Take the front handle and position it so that the side with the screw holes is facing towards the blade, and the smooth side is facing towards the rear handle. Remove the bolt by turning it anti-clockwise until you can remove it from the handle. Now use both hands to prise the handle ends apart and firmly press the handle into place on the handle mounting points. The handle will click into place. Replace the bolt into the handle and tighten up with a screwdriver. Remove the blade cover and slide a charged PowerShare battery into place. You're ready to get trimming. To start the trimmer, pull upwards on the orange switch on the front handle and at the same time pull up on the orange power switch on the rear handle. You cannot start the trimmer without using both of these switches simultaneously, which will prevent you from an accidental start. As a general rule, start at the bottom of the hedge and cut upwards. Try to use a long sweeping motion of the blades. You'll also find that a slight tilt of the blade downwards in the direction of your movement will give you the best cutting results. Change your hold on the front handle to get your hands and arms into a comfortable cutting position. This will give you both more cutting accuracy and reduce the strain on your arms. Allow the blades to reach full speed before you start cutting. And if a branch is too thick and gets jammed in the blade, stop the trimmer immediately. To remove any jammed debris in the blades, first make sure that you release both switches on the trimmer before trying to remove the debris. We recommend that you use ear and eye protection whilst using the hedge trimmer, and for those thorny or prickly hedges, a pair of gardening gloves would be sensible too. The WG264E is an ergonomic trimmer with a 56cm blade and a 20mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This model has a little more reach and is ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. The WG261E is a cordless hedge trimmer with a 45cm blade and a 16mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This is a lightweight and well-balanced trimmer, ideal for smaller gardens. The WG263E trimmer has a nitro brushless motor, a 57cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This is a powerful model with excellent runtime. The WG284E has dual PowerShare batteries for more power, a long 60cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a dual safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model is a workhorse, ideal for medium to large sized gardens. The WG286E has a nitro brushless motor, a 61cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, a handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model has exceptional performance and is a powerhouse for the larger garden. The WG252E is a cordless pole trimmer. It has an adjustable extension pole, 10 adjustable head angles, a 180-degree rotating rear handle, and a soft grip handle with a supporting shoulder strap. This is an ergonomic model to help you reach those tall hedges without the need for a ladder. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.